Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and once go through the disclaimer. And today we will see a new topic which is of volume analysis. I will share 4 scenarios where we can compare both price and volume, and we can analyze the direction of the market. See, these are the 4 scenarios. If the price increases and volume also increases, then it is a strong bullish market. If the price increases and volume decreases, then it is a weak bullish market. If price decreases and volume increases, then it's a strong bearish market. If price decreases and volume increases, then it's weak bearish market. So we can remember these 4 scenarios which we have learned in our school mathematics. We all know these 4 formulas: plus into plus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus. So we can remember these 4 scenarios with these formulas. And if you see here, price decreases and volume decreases, that is both will decrease, minus into minus, that will lead to plus. That means in this scenario, in this 4th scenario, the trend will change. That means the market will reverse from bearish market to bullish market. And here also, if the price increases but volume decreases, that means that is a weak bullish market. That means that market will convert to a bearish market. We will see all these scenarios in today's market. See here, morning itself in the Nifty, this is a future chart, so that here we will get volume. Price is increased and volume decreased. So market has reversed and it is an weak bullish market, so market reversed. And here price increased and volume also increased. So it's an clear bullish market from 1150 to 240. And in Bank Nifty, here also the price has increased, volume decreased, so it went down from 1015 to 115. Here also the volume decreased, price increased, so the trend has changed. And if you see here in the closing, when the price is decreasing, the volume increased, so it's a strong bearish market. So we can see these are the spot these are spot market like Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can see these lines, no? These are actually drawn yesterday. This is my support line and this is my resistance line, and the market is just inside my lines. So how we can draw all these support and resistance lines, we will discuss in the next video. Thank you friends, and please do subscribe to my channel and also share it to your friends and family members. Thank you.